What's going on? What's going on? It's just sneakers. And today we got the Forum 84 highs. And this is a full unboxing. As you see the eBay tape. This is actually the first pair that I got from eBay with their new authenticity guarantee. So we about to see what that's about. And I've never seen these in person, the Forum 84 high. So this is gonna be my first reaction as well. I got the lows, and you guys seen that video. It should be up. You could go watch that. And I wore those, and I was digging them. And it's time to check these out. I want to see how wearable these are. So let's go. Got the box cutter. About to give this a $1.50. That's that right there. See what it said? Meet your soulmates. That's corny. Not doing too much eBay. Not that serious. Like, you feel me? Like, I appreciate you doing authenticity guarantees, but don't pander to me. I hate being pandered to. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's get to it. See the box? As you see, the box is broken, so I don't know what that's about. This box looks big too, compared to the other one. I'll do a comparison. Let's get this out of here. See the box. This box is trash, eBay. Come on. And we could get into a rant real quick. Quick little rant, cause you know I ordered these. Yo, these took like a good three weeks to get here. Like, no lie. And when I purchased them, they arrived at the authenticator about 3 days later. Like, I was checking it, dude sent them to the authenticator 3 days later. And it took them about 2.5 weeks for it to pass authentication and to get to me.
And even some things you can't.
Really?
You know, so they backed up. That's what I think. They need to hire more people, or they need to just stop asking for authenticity on everything. Like, eBay's wilding. They asking for authenticity on everything. Shit that like no fake reseller, fake rep makers will even take the time to even make. But that's neither here nor there. That's another video. Let's get into it. As you see, we got the box. Good. Let me grab the low box for y'all for comparison's sake. Hold on. There you go. As you see, you know what I mean? You got an extra, like, good piece. You know what I'm saying? This is a big ass box, but you know it's high, so I guess it's kind of expected. Alright, so let's look at these, man. I wanted the highs first, because, you know, I'm more of a high kind of guy. But I thought the lows would be more wearable. But we will find that out on the on-foot test. Okay. Hard. These is hard. This tag is trash. eBay, what is this? This is unnecessary. Like, I hope y'all not rocking this on your kicks. Like, I know people be keeping the StockX tags. I don't know why. It doesn't look good, and your tags does not tell me that your sneakers are real, because they make reps of StockX tags. You know what I mean? But here we got the booklet. You see, if y'all want to do the knowledge, you could do the knowledge and the math on your Forum 84s. I didn't really do that this video. I did it in the last one. I mean, off the cuff, but you know what I mean? That look kind of dope. Old school. Alright, let's get into it. And the quality on these, much like the other ones, get them both out. Yeah, I can't believe they sent me a broken box. Like they could have took like $7 off or something. God damn it. Look at the sizing. Okay. Let's get in the quality of these. Here we got the, as with them other ones, the best leather on the shoe is right here on the toe box. Like, real good leather. About the same quality as the lows. Like the low, this is literally the same quality, I would think. Same quality as the lows. It's good leather right here. It's different types of leathers. Like this right here is like the cheapest type of leather on here. It's like that synthetic leather, like, you know what I mean? That cheap shit. Oh, what's this? A mark on my shoe? This leather here is a bit softer. I want to do a compare. I want to reach for the lows, but I'm gonna do a whole separate video, a comparison, because I'm gonna keep interrupting this video, and I want to give these their individual shine. Look like I got a mark. Alright, let's take a look at the back. Same heavy suede right here. Good suede. They got the suede running on across here. It's good suede. The strap. Alright, this strap. How do I feel about this strap right here? I'm gonna have to really give my opinion on the on feet. Cause this strap looks dope, but it looks like it could be a nuisance. We'll see how that go. This is definitely a 1980s strap. You know what I'm saying? Yo, to be honest, like, a lot of sneakers don't even use straps nowadays, to be honest. Like, this is definitely an 80s thing, like straps and shit. Straps, 80s and 90s. You know, I seen a lot of people cut theirs online. Well, not a lot of people, a few people. You know, I guess that's cool. You know, it's your prerogative, but I don't know. I don't think it's worth it. You know. I'm getting in the back here. The leather right here is pretty nice too. Like this whole upper here is fire. Like this looks real quality too. The suede right here on this blue, on this royal, because this is more of a navy blue. It's more of a navy blue, and this is more of a, I wouldn't know what kind of blue that is. That's Jay-Z blue, I guess. You know, but this is the same kind of blue as here, and the navy blue matches this. And that's how the green ones are too. I'm gonna do a review on those. It's like 3 different types, 3 different hits of green, but it works. Cream laces. And stock. You know, got that vintage like sole. Yellow, so you could just rock them out. Now my thoughts on these, yeah, they hard, man. I'm glad I got both of them. I see them as like, I wear them both for different occasions, you know. I do think the lows are more wearable on like a day-to-day, but, you know, I want to throw these on with some shorts, you know. I want to wait for the summer or something, you know. I'm not going to throw the shorts on now, you feel me? The Summer Fiends. I know the Summer Fiends was wearing shorts in March. Yo, we had a streak of like 3 days where it was nice. Shorts. I seen shorts, and they wasn't even playing ball. They was just wearing shorts. Chicks, they had the booty shorts out and the sundresses. Wasn't too mad at that, but they was wilding as well. You know, and then like 2 days later, it was freezing. But, you know, that's New York. You know, weather, fire. Yeah, I'm digging these. We got more Forum 84 videos to come. This was my first unboxing video, true unboxing. You know, I always wanted to do one and give my initial reaction. Even though this was an unboxing, but it's not a true first reaction because I got the lows already. So it's like, I kind of knew what to expect, but just the high top version. So I wasn't too surprised, but I got a pair of kicks coming in that I want to do a straight unboxing for. And they're a pair of Vans, you know, a pair of Vans that came out a few years ago. That's the thing with my channel. My channel, you're not gonna see like the most hype beast sneaker that came out that's coming out next week. You're just gonna see stuff from my collection. You know, I don't like to call it a collection, but you know, stuff that I got and just stuff that I'm into, because I'm not like, you know, sneakers to me is like, this ain't no trend. Like I've been into this since like I was like 6. You know what I mean? And I was 6 a long time ago, you know? So, you know, before the internet was popping, I was into sneakers. You dig? You know what I mean? I was like the type that I knew all the spots in the city to get everything that everybody wasn't wearing before you could find it on a website, before eBay, that type of thing. So, you know, I look forward to more videos. I look forward to bringing value. I look forward to dropping jewels, and I look forward to learning. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all in the comments, put me on to something. I'm always down for that. Never turn that down. And yeah, let's get it. I'm Kasim. It's just sneakers.